Which large language model is best for me? And what does best even mean? And how is it even measured when using language models? There are several suggestions, but one thing is sure. A fine-tuned model, a model that was refined for my specific task, using my specific knowledge base, will probably perform better for me. There are multiple challenges with fine-tuning a large language model. It has become an art. You gotta have the right base model, big enough but not too big, general enough but flexible enough, the right data set, not too big but specific enough for my purposes. You gotta have the right recipe and a huge amount of compute power and memory. And this is why I'm very happy to show you this new large language model from Intel. The Intel Neural Chat 7B model is a great choice for your chatbot. I'll leave you the link to the full article. First, you can see here how the original model, MISTRAL 7 billion, was improved by almost 10%, what brought the neural chat model not long ago to the top of the Hugging Face leaderboard chart. This model keeps on evolving with better and better versions, as you can see in this graph. You can find all of these model versions in Hugging Face and also practical copy-paste how-to that allow you to fine-tune and run it on very affordable systems. Here, for example, inference on Xeon CPUs using Int4. So even though it is a pretty big 7 billion parameter model, you can use it on smaller systems. But it is much more than just a model. It exposes a set of tools, capabilities, workflows, and more. Look for the Intel extension for transformers. First link, you are here. It is all open source. It takes a one line of pip install to get it, and you have access to the Intel Neural Compressor, Intel tool for model compression and quantization, access to advanced software optimization, the neural chatbot, and inference capabilities of various models on Intel platforms. The neural chatbot can work on Intel Gaudi, Intel Xeon CPUs, GPUs, and also NVIDIA GPUs. And all the instructions to use it, getting started, and setting up the service. If you navigate to the top, to workflows, to chatbot, to fine-tuning, you have the full recipe to fine-tune yourself. Choose a base model, set the environment, prepare the model and the dataset, and fine-tune on a CPU, on a Gaudi, or others. Intel Neural Chat 7 billion, a great model to use, a full workflow for fine-tuning on Intel hardware, and more. Subscribe. Thank you.